Tawag mo dyan ba, please?
Ha?
Tawag mo dyan, please.
To Reverend Father Arnel Salis, Father Rico Bernades, Sister Maria Nasa Gertrudes, Nari PBM, Mrs. Junimay Vanessa Miranda, Sister Maria Nasa P. Guevara, PBM, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, batchmates, friends, everyone, good morning. First things first, I want to say thank you. Thank you to our Almighty God for this wonderful life He has given us, for this blessing He has given me and to you, my co-graduates. Thank you to our ever supportive principal, Sister Nasa, who during our stay here in this institution is our disciplinarian and guide. A big thanks to our teachers, our heroes, for your dedication and patience in teaching us, for your guidance, full support and love for us, for the knowledge and talents you've shared to us, and for being our best of friends. At pwede ko ba naman makalimutan yung 4 na tao na naging mga pangalawang magulang namin sa paaralang ito, our beloved advisors. Madam Genevieve Dismas Blanco, who introduced us to high school life and guided us when we were freshmen. Sir Roldan Palilan, our all-around advisor with a killer smile with matching dimples. When we were sophomores, Madam Shirley Cabonilas David, our ever talkative, Sarah Tyler, and loving advisor when we were juniors. And of course, last but not the least, Madam Carmelita Lamas, our ever supportive, disciplinarian, and forever beautiful fourth-year advisor. To the whole community of Merna High School of Ascension, maraming salamat po. And to the persons who gave us life, our parents and guardians, words are not enough to express how much thankful we are. The graduates, for your unconditional love, time, support, patience, and sacrifices for us, your children. We know you've suffered a lot just to send us your stubborn, mischievous, childish, irresponsible, but cute, pretty, and handsome sons and daughters here in Maynard. But rest assured, our dear parents, hindi na sayang ang pinaghirapan niyo. Because today, we're presenting you our diplomas, achievements, and the pride of graduating high school. Especially to my Lola and Lolo, who for the last 17 years of my existence ay naging mga magulang ko. Nag-alaga, nagpaaral, at tumulong sa akin na parang tuloy din ang mga anak. Thank you also to my aunts and uncle for helping me financially. To the whole Magaloy family, thank you so much for taking care of me and for your undying support. Daghang salamat, our parents, grandparents, ate and kuya, aunts and uncles. While thinking about what happened during your stay here in Marinol, I realize, guys, na-realize din sa panahon ko it was like yesterday, we just entered this institution, and then the strangers became na sa pagpikit ng mga mata natin, nag-develop na para tayo. And then when you opened our eyes once again, boom! Ito na! Graduate na! During our journey, may nawala, may umalis, may nadagdag, at may bumalik. And even if some of us didn't make it till the end, I'm still so happy to know and to witness how all of us strive hard and did their best until this day. Sino pa naman ang makakalimot sa mga barkadahan at grupong nabuo sa loob ng 4 na taon? Hello Kitty Girls, Chris Bankra, Silver 6, Terrified 6, Immortal Legacy Unit, Breakers the Makers of BTM, Beautify, or BCP, and the Little Build, 4 na tala, or T4. At mga love teams and lovers na nabuo gaya ng Gosford, Cherryford, Diaford, Pro Baby Love, Galingan ni Mangle, Mary, Shaniel, Shirley, Pamil, Fratzi, Denmar, and Narjiniel. At syempre, mga tawagan natin na sa sobrang dami, tayo natang may title holder ng or the room with the numerous endowments, just like Sis, Nga, Beb, Wakwak, Han, Pau, Klo, Wag, Brad, Bets, Bogs, Ter, Tets, Boards, Gol, Go, Do, May, Bay, Parts, Bayan, My Loves, Big, Pars, Tots, Kiak, Sowat, Mars, Mo, Ba, Nan, Nung, Yang, Yabs, Sarge, Losh, Baby Girl, Bok, Frank, Sampa, Mix, Tol, Besh, Best, Cogs, Pretty, Monks, Darts, Starts, Burks, Champs, Dow, Bro, Nag, Gops, Cheese, Migo, Bites, Pinya, and Gao. At yung mga tawagan na sobrang tumutak sa utak natin, katulad na lang ng Pacman, Cellophane, Butol, Chichay, Pungkol, Pantat, Bakang, Bayot, Bin Laden, Igoy, Via Satellite, Bamboo, Wally Bayola, Robin, o Maria Mercedes. Meron pa mga pangalan ng section natin gaya na lang ng Barkadang Buhiton, United Aswan, and Celebrity Section. At sino pa naman ang makakalimot sa mga pumosong ninyang ito? Howdy ha. Okay, bye. Yan syunga ka, aldi ay. Power! Go! Bati na tayo, go! Tapos nasabay pa lang, do! Bati na tayo, do! Do, toy! Kinsin lang sa'yo sama? Awansyong! Uy, nalasutang! Kung buwang mo, mas buwang ko. Gahay mo, gahaysad ko. At yung, shit! Guys, do you still remember yung cute natin classmate na kahit tawanan ng lahat, siya na lang yung nag-iisang tahimik at walang imik. Tapos pag kinakausap mo, tipid na ngiti lang ang binibigay sa'yo. Yung mga panahon na nalilito tayo sa kambal kung sino si Fresh at Irene. How about yung panahon ng discussion sa sabog, tapos may biglang tumayo at nakainis sa parts? Yung lover boy natin na halos 3 taong nang ligaw kay girl, pero ngayon sa wakas, sila na. Ito pa isa! The most memorable one. Yung girl na shoots ang hindi nagpansinan, pero sa retreat lang pala magkakabatian. Yung pambabara ni Rocky, at pagsingit ng mga walang kwentang salita at mga bagay sa gitna ng seryosong usapan. All of these events and persons, lahat ng kabulustugang pinaggagawa natin, like cutting classes at matulog sa gitna ng discussion, boarding house. Ang mga negative practices natin like cheating and backstabbing, we will surely, totally, and definitely miss them after this day. Sometimes we can't avoid telling ourselves, pwede dili na lang mag-graduate. But then again, nothing is permanent. We have to graduate, move forward, and continue with what God has planned for us. My co-graduates, today marks the end of our high school years and the end of our 4 years of studying in this institution. Well, even if this is the last chapter of our high school life, I believe that today also marks the beginning of another sequel in the book of our life, which is college. We have faced a lot of happy and sad moments, love and heartaches, challenges, away-bati, and ups and downs together. Now we have to step out in the four corners of the place that molded us to a mature us now, and start facing the upcoming events of our lives with a new environment and people. We will start chasing our dreams and start building our future away from each other. We are all like fireworks. Please remember this. The moment we dispatch into the sky, we shine so bright and go into separate ways. Just like how we are right now, we are going to take different paths and careers in life. But unlike the fireworks, let's not scatter and just disappear in the sky. Let's achieve and chase our own dreams. But let's not forget each other and continue to shine and stay in each other's heart and be light to everyone forever. And before I end my speech, let us always be reminded with this beautiful line of Lupita Nyong'o's speech when she won the Best Actress Award of the recent Oscars. No matter where we are from, our dreams are valid. Batch 2014, aim high! Kaya natin to! Good morning and thank you once again.
Thank you, Jeremy. No matter where you're from, your dreams are valid. Graduate na yun sila. Share. I will not forget that. Share. Okay. We will now proceed to the graduation song of